Hello everyone! In today's video, we learn about internal linking and its importance. And what are the internal linking best practices? Internal linking is linking pages on your website to each other. This powerful SEO technique can help you improve your website's ranking in search engine results pages. When you internally link, you are essentially creating a web of interconnected pages that makes navigating your website easier for users and search engines. This can help to improve your website's user experience and boost your SEO. There are a few things to keep in mind when creating internal links. Use relevant keywords. When you create internal links, make sure to use relevant keywords. This will help search engines understand the context of your links and rank your pages accordingly. Use descriptive anchor text. The anchor text is the text that you use to link to another page. Make sure to use descriptive anchor text that accurately describes the linked page content. Link to important pages. When you create internal links, link to important pages on your website. This includes your homepage, your product pages, and your blog posts. Avoid overlinking. Don't overdo it with internal linking. Too many internal links can make your website seem spammy. By following the previous tips, you can create effective internal links that help you achieve your SEO goals. Here are some benefits of internal linking. Improve user experience. Internal linking can help users navigate your website more easily and find the information they seek. Increased page views. Internal linking can help you increase the number of pages visited on your website. This can lead to more leads and sales. Improved SEO. Internal linking can help improve your website's SEO by passing page rank between pages. This can help your pages rank higher in search engine results pages. Internal linking is a great place to start if you want to improve your website's SEO. If you want to learn more about SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos about technical optimization, content optimization, link building, and more. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.